Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Islamic Bloom with Warda Rafiq. Today, we're exploring beauty in Islam is not just about appearance. It's about feeling good, being confident, and honoring who you are in line with Islamic values. Now, let's talk about the conflicting beauty standards we face today. On one side, mainstream media often promotes unrealistic ideals: perfect skin, flawless hair, and physical perfection. On the other, Islam encourages us to focus on inner beauty, modesty, and self-care. This contrast can make things confusing, especially when we feel pressured to meet these expectations. Society tells us we need to look a certain way, while Islam reminds us that true beauty lies in our character, intentions, and the way we treat others. So, how can we beautify ourselves in a way that aligns with Islamic teachings? First, modesty is key. Islam encourages us to dress in a way that is respectful and honors our identity. This doesn't mean limiting self-expression, but finding a style that reflects who we are while staying true to our faith. Whether it's choosing a certain hijab style or opting for outfits that make you feel confident and beautiful, modesty is about expressing yourself with dignity. Next, let's talk about skincare and self-care. Islamic teachings emphasize cleanliness as an important part of faith. For centuries, Muslim cultures have used natural ingredients like olive oil, honey, and rose water to nourish the skin. These practices not only help us look good, but also connect us to a heritage of self-care rooted in Islamic values. Taking care of our skin with natural products is a way to honor our body and feel refreshed. And hair care? It's all about keeping hair healthy and vibrant, rather than following trends. Regular oiling and gentle handling can make a huge difference. It's about valuing your natural beauty rather than conforming to passing styles. I remember when I started embracing these practices. For so long, I focused on meeting certain beauty standards that I forgot to appreciate my own unique features. But as I began taking care of myself in a way that felt true to my beliefs using natural products, dressing modestly, I noticed a real shift. Confidence started coming from within. I felt more beautiful, not because I fit a certain mold, but because I was honoring myself and my faith. In Islam, beauty goes beyond appearance. It's reflected in our character, modesty, and self-care. True beauty shines from a pure heart, a kind character, and a spirit rooted in faith. Thank you so much for watching Islamic Bloom with Wardarafiq. I'd love to hear from you. What are your experiences with beauty standards? And how do you incorporate faith into your self-care routine? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to check out my other videos on beauty, faith, and confidence. Jazakallah khair, and see you next time. Assalamu alaikum.